beautiful crafters. This is Jyoti here from Unfolding Memories, and today I'm going to share a quick tutorial for this easy shaker card. And to make this, I am taking two sheets of acetates together and I'm fusing them using this fuse tool from VR Memory Keepers. I bought it recently and it was trending a lot and I couldn't stop myself. It gives a nice stitch look, which I really love. So here I am sealing the three sides of this acetate, so I can put my shakers inside, and thereafter I will be sealing the fourth side. So yes, it's an addiction to work and I really like the outcome it gives. So here I have mixed some shakers. These shakers are from Crafting Needs. They have a huge variety of shakers and I just love the sound of these shakers together. So here finally I'm sealing the last side and the shaker is done. See, I just enjoy this mesmerizing sound. Love it. So now I have taken this card panel. Actually, I have just scored from the center of an A4 sheet and I have cut down the middle portion to create this shaker panel. And to layer it up, I have used golden mirror cardstock and black foil sheet from a Papericious pack, that is gilded onyx, I believe. Yes. So here it's an urgent order I am working with, so it's like I'm using red tacky tape for a quick, you know because glue takes time to dry up. I prefer glue over these red tacky tape, because glue gives us like sufficient time to do the correction if a sheet is not perfect, is not aligned perfectly, so we get the time to move it up. But when I'm working with red tacky tape, once it is done, it's done. So I don't like working with a red tacky tape. So here I'll be aligning this shaker pouch that we just created. Previously I was using foam tape for making these shakers, but what was annoying me was these shakers get stuck at the edge of that foam tape and gets collected there, so it was constantly bugging me. Yeah, and here I am working with this red ticket. I really don't like. I don't know why. I just don't. Sorry. So I have just laid it up now, and our top of this card is done. It's an simple and quick card. So yes, it's almost done. Here I am taking two sheets together to lay inside this card, and this particular one is from DMC Dots and Stripes, and I am taking the margin of 1 centimeter and then scoring it so I can paste it over the black sheet, leaving the margin. uh, I used to leave a margin because it appears like a border and it provides a dimension there. So that's how I work with most of my projects. I am providing a crisp dent on both the sides, so there won't be any kind of bump created, uh, so that it can rest inside properly. Okay, so here I will be pasting it over this black sheet, leaving a proper space for frame. Oops, this is what I don't like, and it just happened. This is why I don't like to work with a red tacky tape. So luckily I means got it stuck out properly, and now I am trying to fix it nicely, leaving a proper border from all the four sides, and it's done. So here I will be just pasting the panel with the base of this card. See, this is kind of pattern that I follow when I create cards or any other projects. It's not important to carry what you see. You should always follow what you find suitable for your craft, because things which are suitable for me is not important that it will work fine for you as well. So it's very, very important for you to find which works best for you. So this is how I got to know that glue works best for me and not this red tacky tape, because I'm a person who always needs some time for matting properly, and red tacky tape always disturbs. So now, yes,